Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is. I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a little chill, kind of hang out with me today kind of day. I'm gonna make a smoothie and then we're heading to Malibu. I just can't stay away from Malibu. I have 2 weeks left, which is kind of crazy. I feel like a month goes by so fast, but I have 2 weeks left and my favorite part of being here is going to Malibu, so I'm gonna take advantage of that as much as I can. I found this beautiful, stunning beach there that I'm gonna take you guys to today and kind of show you. So it's gonna be a fun day, but we're gonna start off by making a smoothie. Classic Gabby. I've got my blender and I'm gonna show you how I make my favorite morning smoothie. I have this literally almost every morning. So yeah, let's get into it. I start out with plant milk. Right now I have this one. I absolutely love it. It's made in LA. I love that it's in like a glass bottle too, but it's hemp, chia, and oat milk. And it's pretty good. I taste the hemp a lot. Like I've never had hemp milk and you can really taste the hemp. So I just pour a bit of that in here. I take my frozen banana and I typically put in like 1.5 to 2 frozen bananas. And then we've got all the goodies. So I put in ground flaxseed. I've been eating this every day, at least a tablespoon, to help balance my hormones. I just got this protein yesterday and I'm actually really loving it. It's Epic Protein. Since I'm working on really healing my hormones right now, I'm paying a little more attention to ingredients, and the ingredients in this are so good, and they will actually support my hormones instead of some protein powders that can agitate them, I guess. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop of this, and I tried it for the first time yesterday and it tasted very lovely. It's really not even flavored, I don't think, but it tasted really good. So I put in a scoop of that. Then I had a big heaping spoonful of cacao powder because it's not a smoothie without cacao powder. That's it. So now I'm gonna blend her up. Chef's kiss, so good. I like to drink my smoothies out of wine glasses, and I actually don't even drink them, I eat them with a spoon because I load them up with granola. This is homemade granola, I just put it in an old granola bag, but it's double chocolate granola, of course, and it's so good. So I put some on the bottom and then I pour in my smoothie. I put more on the top. As well as some cacao nibs. There you have it, friends. Let me put this in better lighting. She's stunning. Got granola, cacao nibs. Oh, so good. I'm gonna eat this and then we're off to Malibu.